Easy now, keep them steady. They're heavy, but we'll manage. The market will be pleased.
Look at the size of these fruits. Yes, and the orange ones are ready. This green one is still growing. We'll check again in a few days.
Look how the vines have spread. The fruits are growing fast. Yes, but the leaves are smaller here. The soil may be too dry. The flowers are blooming well. We should see more fruit soon. Agreed. The yield looks promising this season. The soil is good, but we need more organic matter. Yes, and the moisture level is perfect for the seedlings. Look at the texture, it's rich in nutrients. Perfect. This will give us a good harvest.
This natural mix will feed the roots. Yes, and loosening the soil helps it breathe. Our yields will be much better this season. Our grandmother's wisdom still guides us.
These are full of spikes today. Yes, but they pack well. Careful with the thorns. This one's done. Moving it. The dawn light blesses our work.
Indeed, the cucumbers are plentiful.
I found a big one.
A fine harvest for our family. This one looks promising, firm and evenly spiky. Yes, a good one. Check for any soft spots. None here. Perfect for market. Good. Let's check the next row. Looking at the notes, 60 to 70 days is optimal. Yes, the field data matches, moisture is good, and the maturity indicators are on schedule. Agreed. We should start harvesting next week.
This one has good color. Squeeze it. Is it firm? Yes, this one is ripe. Good. Let's get more. This pile looks promising. I agree. These cucumbers look perfect today. Yes, let's make the rows even. They will sell quickly like this. A fine display.
See these vines? Strong growth this side. Yes, but the other row has larger fruits. True. We should irrigate this section next. Agreed. Let's check the yields.
The soil feels dry. We must check the moisture. Yes, the cucumbers need consistent water. Let's inspect the soil here. Take water soon. Agreed. Tomorrow morning. Good plan.
This one is firm enough to pick. Yes, the spikes are sharp. This vine is ready.
I'll fill these baskets. Let's keep checking. Good. This batch will sell well.
These vines are thriving this season. Yes, but they need careful pruning. Watch for the thorns on the fruits. Good. The harvest will be strong. The emitters are working well here. Yes, the soil is moist. The flow is good. Let's check the next line. Agreed. It looks clear.
One, two, three, 4, and 5 here. 6 and 7. This crate is full. Starting a new one? Good. Keep them even.
These vines are strong this year. Yes, but the weeds are stubborn. Keep at it. The soil is good. Almost done with this row. The vines are thriving here. Yes, the soil is good. Look at this one. The spikes are longer. A good sign for the yield. Indeed.
These are firm and ripe, perfect for export. Yes, check for any soft spots. This one has good color. Good. Let's pack them now. Carefully into the crates. These ones are perfect. Pack them carefully.
Got it. This crate is nearly full.
Good. The truck will be here soon.
This one's ready to go.
This one has a spot. Let's set it aside. Yes, and this one's too soft. Good eye. We need the best for market. Exactly. Let's keep checking. Agreed.
Keep the crate steady for loading. Stack them tight. We're almost done. Good work. Let's move out.
These cucumbers are selling quickly. Let's arrange them neatly. Yes, they look so fresh. This side is almost full. Let's make a nice pyramid here. Good idea. This will attract more buyers. Careful with the spikes. Yes, layer them gently. This crate is almost full. Good. The truck comes soon.
These vines are thriving. Yes, a good yield this season. I'll note this section for extra support. Good idea. Let's check the next row.
These are the biggest we've seen. Perfect for export. Yes, this one is firm. Check the spikes. I'll put in the basket. Good. Let's get a few more. This one is ready.
These are heavy. Pack them tight. I'm coming. We need to secure the load. This crate is full. Let's move. Ready? Lift together. To the caravan.
Handle them gently. These spines are sharp. Yes, I'll be careful. These are perfect. Good. Let's keep the rows straight. These look very fresh today. Yes, they will sell well. This side is ready. I'll add more here.
Look at the size of this one. Excellent yield. Indeed, let's get the weight and log it. This row is even better. We should note that. Already on it, the data looks very promising.